Kawadhi nyimeni ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga kono jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo oluor chike ma pachoka kawacho ni jokenya ok bi yie mondo duok piny Kenya telo mar agoko mane gisewuoke. Odinga ne osir kod jotelo ma opogore mag ODM mane ochopo ik jakom mar ODM bade ma Migori Philip Makabogo. Jojo manigi mathoth.
And then you've seen somebody saying that I will disregard court orders. That is the language you understand very well. Who are you to disregard court orders? We went to court, to Supreme Court, to challenge the election of the presidency. And the court ruled against us in spite of all the evidence that we put before that court. They came and rubbished everything. Hearsay, rubbish and so on. That's what you said. You said we don't agree with this ruling, but we respect the courts because they have got the constitutional right to do so. You are yourself a product of the ruling of that court, and you're saying that you're going to disregard and disrespect the ruling of that court. We will not allow you to do it.
Na ujue ya kwamba wewe si wa kwanza kupeanwa hiyo kazi. Tulikuwa na wengine mbele yako, na tutakuwa na wengine nyuma yako. So ukiwa na nafasi umepewa kazi paka usaidie watu wako, paka ulinde watu wako. Na wewe wakati ule hutakuwa kwa mamlaka, wengine watakuwa kwa mamlaka, pia wewe au watalinda wewe.
Ramogi, Jojo.